The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Residents for the city of Columbus, Ohio, lock all your doors immediately. Reports came in about an individual roaming around the city, attacking and killing anyone in his sight, abducting children, and breaking into buildings, cars, and business. The individual is unidentified at this time, but any information about the individual will be broadcasted once it becomes available. If you have any information about this individual, call 911 immediately. All residents in the city of Columbus are advised to stay indoors for the day. If this individual breaks into your home, use anything by all means to protect yourself and others. Do not attempt to fight this individual, as you'll face certain death. This individual is still in the city, and is currently on a killing spree. If you see this individual, call 911 immediately. Remain tuned to this station for further information on this dangerous situation.